We continue to follow that big breaking news story today. State investigators conclude their work with a highly critical report of Nashville's district attorney's office. The question, did they find any criminal wrongdoing? Thanks for joining us, everyone. I'm Rory Johnston. That investigation sparked by questions first raised by News Channel 5 Investigates. Our chief investigative reporter, Phil Williams, has been sorting through the report from the state comptroller's office. A lot of questions here, Phil, but ultimately, what does this mean for Glenn Funk?
Well, it depends upon who you ask. General Funk put out a statement saying it confirms that, quote, neither he nor his office has committed any crimes or broken any law. However, if you read the report, that claim is not so clear. The release of the investigative report comes a year and a half after a TBI raid of the DA's office looking for evidence of illegal audio surveillance. That followed a News Channel 5 investigation that raised questions about microphone-equipped cameras being used to record people's conversations without their knowledge. The report concludes that when defense attorneys came to our room to review evidence, the DA's office was recording their conversations about the evidence they were seeing, then sharing those recordings with the prosecutor on those cases. According to the report, investigators determined these criminal defense attorneys were not aware they were going to be audio recorded while inside the district attorney's office. It continued, it was stated to investigators that defense strategy and strategic information would have been discussed, which the district attorney's office should not have access to.
But we are better when we work together and care about each other.
Glenn Funk's response, according to the report, was that defense attorneys should have known they had no expectation of privacy inside the DA's office. He also defended another example where a visitor was recorded in a hallway giving out personal identifying information while making a phone call. News Channel 5's undercover investigation had also raised questions about DA staff working on Funk's re-election campaign while on government time. The report confirms those findings, plus adds a new twist about a former prosecutor allegedly being pressured after a family member expressed support for one of the DA's challengers. According to the woman, Funk told her, the only way you can make this any better is if you donated a significant amount of time or money, but I don't ask anyone to do that. Still, after reviewing the evidence, Tennessee Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti issued a statement saying he did not believe he had a strong enough case to proceed with the criminal prosecution against Glenn Funk or anyone in his office. Now, Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti said that while he was not ready to proceed with a criminal case, he does think there are some potential ethical concerns with the recording of defense attorneys. Coming up at 6, I'll have an exclusive interview with Comptroller Jason Mumpower, whose office produced the report. He has some incredibly strong words, including his belief that there should be a second opinion on whether there are criminal charges.